Let's make these rich, milky, buttery, and absolutely delicious cookies that melts in your mouth. Start by preheating the oven to 160 degrees centigrade 10 minutes before baking. Now to a bowl add softened unsalted butter, powdered sugar, and milk powder. Mix together until well combined. The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar below. Now add the star of the show, which is custard powder, and also mix together. If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. Add any flavoring of your choice. I'm using vanilla extract. And gently mix together until well combined. To finish up the cookie dough, we would be adding all-purpose flour and mix together. Once the cookie dough is ready, place onto a parchment paper and roll until it is completely flat. Cut into the desired shape and repeat this process until all the batter is cut. Thank you to all my subscribers, and if you're new here, please join the family. We share lots of yummy recipes made with love. Now place the cookies onto a lined baking tray and bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees centigrade for around 20 minutes. Once the cookies are baked, remove from the heat and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching the video if you've watched until this point, and until next time, remain blessed.